Good morning. My name is Janice. I hope you are well today. Tuesday morning, September 23rd, 2025. This is a general reading for the collective. Take what resonates and leave the rest. Cleansing the energy. Ooh. As I have a sip of coffee. Okay. What is the message for this beautiful collective right here, right now? Speak through me, use me, have your way. Most High God, Holy Spirit, angels, ancestors, spirit guides, use me, speak through me, have your way. What's the message? Rabbit. Okay. Timid. I'm feeling from that rabbit. Earth element. Tell me more. Beaver. As a home builder, Beaver. That's water sign, but also partly earth sign as well. Home builder. One more? Okay. All right. Have your way. All right. Nightingale. Air sign. Ooh, singing, speaking your truth, singing, speaking. Nightingale. Okay. Your root chakra, as well as your crown chakra. All threw up, but you're connected to Mother Earth, you're connected to the cosmos. Tim and Rabbit, you are safe. You're also a builder. With the energy of the beaver, beavers are hard workers. They build homes, they build safety for their family. And through it all, you're going to be speaking, singing your truth. Speaking, singing your truth. It has to do with music. It has to do with singing. It has to do with truth. You have been timid, but you're not going to allow you're not going to allow anxiety to stop you from building what you're building, because it's not only for you but family, soul family, actual family, whatever. And it's gonna be through, a lot of your work is gonna be through singing, speaking, singing. Nightingale may not be much. They're brown birds. They may not look like much, but they have quite a voice. You have quite a voice, whoever you are. Okay, you want some, okay, all right, tell me more. Tell me more about Rabbit, Beaver, and Nightingale. Otter and Cattail, peace. You are at peace, little one. Coming on the rabbit. Tell me more, Holy Spirit. Angels, ancestors, spirit guides, the rooster and sunflower. Communication has to do with the beaver. We already heard, yeah, communication. Okay. Tell me more. Trust in the invisible. Snail and huckleberry. Trust the invisible. Oh, okay, yeah. You know, it reminds me of being inspired. Sometimes I use light language. I sing with light language. I sing or speak, allow spirit to speak through me, through light language, and then the actual words come. Trust the invisible. That's inspired. You can't see it. You can't read it in a book. You can't any of that. Trust the invisible. Trust the invisible. Okay. All right. Peace, communication, trust the invisible. Trust the invisible. The snail and huckleberry. Okay. Yeah, huckleberry. I heard in this little book, huckleberry. Olden times, huckleberry was called like someone of little significance, insignificant. And the snail. They're just little things. Trust the invisible. What's the message? Holy Spirit, thank you. Nine of Cups. You have accomplished something here. Nine of Cups says you're full of love. This is like, oh, wow. Okay, and the purple and the peacock. And the lotus flower and the 2 cups at the top. I mean, there's 9 cups altogether, but this has to do with love, emotional fulfillment, because cups are emotions, heart, of the soul, emotions. This is very good. You accomplished something and you feel fulfilled. The magician, the beaver, the rooster and sunflower, communication, the magician, through your magic, through your ability to manifest. Magicians manifest. King of Cups. King of Cups. King of Cups. Nightingale. Trust the invisible. King of Cups. There's a lot of love here. There's a lot of love here. There might be love songs you're singing. There might be love songs you're composing. And you will sing them, and you're a musician as well. You could be, the whole thing. Because you are a magician as well. And we all have a bit of magic about us. It has to do with the King of Cups. Tell me more, Holy Spirit. Okay. 10 of Cups. 10 of Cups on top of the 9 of Cups. This is wish fulfillment. Okay. All right. Justice. This is justice, too. This is all justice. Justice for you, dear soul. You beautiful collective you. This is justice for you. Queen of Cups. Oh, my God. Queen of Cups on top of the 9 of Cups. This is a match. This is a match. This is justice. This is your wish fulfillment. Whoever you are, don't allow fear to stop you from building what you're building, because this is justice. And sing like nobody's business, whoever you are. If you are a musician or composer or whatever, you may have many abilities, but Spirit is inviting you to sing. Listen to music, sing with it, whatever. I don't know who these people are, but I'm hearing, stand by me, darling, darling, stand by me. Blessings to you. I honor you from my heart to your heart. Healing love.